Hello, plant lovers. Today, let's meet the queen of pinks, Philodendron Pink Princess. Stunning, rare, and ready to steal the spotlight in your home. First and foremost, light is everything for a pink princess. The pink zones don't have chlorophyll, so they show up best under bright, indirect light. Too little light makes new leaves turn green, while too much direct sun can burn them. Pink Princess prefers slightly moist but well-draining soil. Let the top 2 to 3 inches of soil dry before watering again. No strict schedule, just check the soil with your finger. Overwatering leads to root rot, so if the mix feels soggy or smells musty, let it dry and trim any damaged roots. A moisture meter can help you find the right balance, keeping the foliage glossy and healthy. This tropical beauty thrives in warm, humid air, around 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid drafts and cold windows and try to keep humidity above 40%. If the leaf tips start browning, add a humidifier or set the pot on a pebble tray for extra moisture. As for soil, use a light, airy, and well-draining mix. A blend of potting soil, coconut coir, perlite, and a bit of orchid bark is ideal. Feed once a month during spring and summer with diluted, balanced fertilizer. Skip fertilizing in fall and winter when growth slows down. Healthy roots mean richer variegation and stronger leaves. Repot every 1 to 2 years, or when roots start circling the pot. Choose a container just slightly larger with good drainage holes. Pruning helps keep the plant compact and colorful. Trim leggy vines or leaves that turn all green or all pink to balance variegation. Propagating is simple. Take a stem cutting with at least one node, let it callus for a few hours, and place it in water or moist soil. Once roots reach about an inch long, transfer to a small pot and watch new growth begin. If leaves yellow or stems feel soft, it's likely overwatering. Brown spots may mean too much direct light or dry air. Watch out for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. Wipe the leaves and treat with neem oil if needed. Keep airflow steady and light consistent for best results. Keep it pink, keep it playful, and don't forget to show off that glow. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.